Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Madhumita and you know me as Medico Madhu. Those who have been following all my videos, you must be knowing that I stress a lot on exercise. So, one of my patients who have been following me for a very long time, he's an athlete. He presented to me with pain in his ankle. So that's when I thought, when I stress so much about exercise, I should tell something about exercise-induced injuries as well. So basically, in his case, he had a little bit of tendon swelling. So it could be controlled with medications and supportive care. So I thought I'll be talking about ankle injuries. So ankle injuries, usually there are three common types I would be talking to you about in today's video. First is the tendon rupture itself. So you have an ankle, that is the joint. Above that, the muscle tendon comes. So it will be as though someone has shot you right above your or below the calf muscle, right above your ankle. So the pain will be so severe, you will have difficulty even on lifting your toes. So in this case, it is the where you require rest immediately. Yet there is another type where we have tendonitis, where there will be just a nodule, a small swelling sort of a thing in the tendon region, but you will not have any pain or any restriction of movement. The third type is called as paratendinosis. So in this, you will have a diffuse swelling from the ankle joint to slightly below the calf muscle for about maybe 3 to 4 or 4 to 6 millimeters to centimeters, depending on the area that is involved. Yet there is a combination of these two in which you will have pain only on moving the ankle joint or on doing strenuous physical activity. So this is mainly a clinical thing, but we can get your x-ray, we can get your ultrasound and all depending on your associated factors, associated symptoms that you present with. Based on that, we will be deciding on your treatment as well. When we talk about risk factors, of course, those who have been regularly exercising without doing stretches, they are more prone to it. If you're someone who hasn't been exercising and you have all of a sudden started doing a physical activity, or you are trekked and you are twisted, or improper shoes, all these things can actually result in injury to your tendon. Tendon is by far a connecting structure, right? So we have to be more careful about it. As long as you're wearing proper shoes, you're doing proper stretches, doing adequate physical activity and not overdoing, you can definitely prevent this condition. Now that we have discussed about how we develop it, how to prevent it, what are the types and what are the manifestations, of course the next part is going to be the treatment of the condition. When it is a rupture, first we will be definitely advising you rest, we will be giving you warm compression, we will be giving you analgesics for the pain and other supportive care like physical rehabilitation and all. Despite this, if you're not noticing any improvement and it's not minor rupture, it's a proper complete rupture, then we will be going for a surgical correction. Coming to the less severe variants like the tenosis or the paratendinosis, in these cases like tendonitis and all, we will be focusing more on physical rehabilitation. Like we will be teaching you the right type of exercise that you will have to do. We will help you with heel lift. We will be giving you analgesics. We will be training you in the right way of moving. We'll be giving you adequate rest and other physiotherapy measures. And we will also advise you the right type of shoe that you will have to wear and all that. Despite this, if you are not noticing any improvement, if there is restriction of movement or other complications when it develops, that is when we would be going for a surgical correction. By far, this can be easily prevented. So as long as you follow the preventive measures, we can have healthy ankle and we can continue with our regular physical activity as well. I hope this video was useful for you. I'll be meeting you with many more interesting and informative medical videos.